out of my... There we go. All right. Let's turn that light off just so that we have our... Yeah, okay. There we go. Haha. So, this is turned into a makeup tutorial. How delightful. All right, I'm going to go to editor so I've got a bigger screen here. There we go. So I can see what I'm doing. All the subs. Oh, did I get a sub? Did I miss something? Also, clan subs came through, and we have a double sub Hypu, Iceman, and Kalan. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, did you miss it? Oh, there it is. Thank you. Oh, and 400 bits. Thank you very much. Delicioso. So for all you lads and lasses out there watching, I'm going to show you how I put on my eyeliner. And for the guys who are watching who are wondering, can I also do that? The answer is yeah. Because it's super easy. I'll show you. So what you want to do is you want to get yourself an eyeliner that is waterproof. And you want to get something that is specifically for the waterline, which is the area that's just inside your eyelashes, which is always consistently moist. So you want to get waterproof stuff because regular eyeliner makes my eyes burn like crazy and I can't wear it. So let's get this centered here. Move that over. So what you want to do is you start by just nice and easy. Now what's great is you can go on super hard and super fast. Right? You just sloppily put that in there. Oh yeah, and then on the top you just fucking doesn't really matter. And a little bit on the bottom, right? Looks awful. But then you just take your finger and you mush. You mush it in. Yeah. And there you go. Classic pirate stuff, right? You get a little, there we go. Wow. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Just like that. And then you want to make sure obviously you wash your hands before you do stuff like this because you don't want to be putting your hands in your eyes when it's gonna, betray you. And then always make sure you save that finger because you're gonna use it again on the other eye. So then we do the same thing. We come over here. We just boom, just like that, right? Yes, then you go like this. Bam. I got a lot on this one. Whoosh. There. More or less. And that's how she's done. Bingo bongo. Right? Good? Yeah. Looks handsome. And I like to spend the extra money because getting good quality eyeliner is always important. So, I mean, I'm not being sponsored by these people. What do I got? Smashbox, always sharp, waterproof kohl liner, K-O-H-L, kohl liner. Crayon kohl, waterproof, and the color is called Raven by a company called Smashbox Cosmetics. Picked it up at Shoppers Drug Mart. I think I paid like $10, $15 for it. So, but it's lasted me a long time. So, no biggie problems with that. So,